In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up WooCommerce on your WordPress blog. We'll go through the full process of turning a regular WordPress site into an online store, starting with the plugin installation and ending with adding your shop pages to your website navigation. If you're new to WordPress or e-commerce, don't worry, I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. First, sign into your WordPress blog. Once you're inside the WordPress dashboard, you'll be able to access all the tools needed to add new features to your site. Next, go to Plugins and then select Add New. This is where you can browse and install plugins that extend what your website can do. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. When it appears in the results, click Install Now. WordPress will download the plugin and prepare it for your site automatically. After the installation finishes, click Activate. This turns WooCommerce on and adds its store features to your WordPress dashboard. As soon as it's activated, WooCommerce will usually launch its setup wizard, which is designed to help you configure the most important store settings right away. Go ahead and follow the setup wizard. It will guide you through the basic store information needed to get started. One of the first things you'll enter is your store location and currency. This is important because it affects things like tax settings, shipping behavior, and how prices appear to your customers. Be sure to choose the options that match where your business operates and the currency you want to charge in. You'll then move on to configuring shipping and payment options. For shipping, choose the methods that make sense for the products you plan to sell. For payments, select the options you want to offer your customers, such as online payment methods or offline options if they apply to your business. Take a moment here to review each choice carefully, since these settings directly affect the checkout experience. Once the core store settings are in place, create your first product. This is where you'll add the item you want to sell, along with its details, pricing, and any other product information WooCommerce asks for. Your first product helps confirm that your store is beginning to take shape and gives you something to test on the front end. Finally, add the WooCommerce pages to your website navigation. This makes key store pages, like the shop and cart, easy for visitors to find. A clear navigation menu helps customers move smoothly through your site and improves the shopping experience. That's it. You've now installed WooCommerce, completed the basic setup, added a product, and connected your store pages to your site navigation.